Look familiar? This is my boy's spot. Oh, they got another one. Not the one from last night, just another one.
If you don't
See what they got going up in here. Oh, look at it up in here, White. White. Come in? No, I do the music only that one. Yeah. Look at the engine up in here. And that one. Oh yeah. Well done. The green's all the way through. So my boys got, y'all remember this one? I know some people know some people. They got the 6.2. Oh yeah. That Gabe car right there. They got 7 Ocean. Huh? Yeah. Yep. And they got the red one too. That's right, the red one. They came out of the house, the red one. What's up? What's up? How you doing today, man? Oh, nothing much, man. Just what's up? Y'all talk me up? I'm here.
Be nice.
What's up? You said be nice. How you guys doing today? All right. Let me stop by this. Hey, when it's your shit, you can do it that way. And blow it all over your other car in the back. Look at that. All that rubber on the other car.
That's a car.
Oh yeah. Hey, y'all got that hot shit all over the side of the car now. Okay, I'm just putting it out there. You might want to get that off of there. Woo. Ooh, I like that gas cap. I saw that. That's it. I said, yeah. Yeah, I need to hose that off.
Wipe that down.
You have to wipe it over here. Look on this side.
Come on this side.
You know? Yeah.
Let it cool down and hit it with that spray.
No, see the outside of the car. Look at the rims.
Oh, yeah.
Like this, but with the LS motor in it. So it looks like it's like stock and new like this.
Off stock.
But you got these wheels on it, which I already got these hubcaps, and I got some 14s like this, but you know, just like this. Then if you pull the wheels off, you put other wheels on, you get just change the look of the car, but a stock wheel look, so it looks like it's new. That was the That's the vision I have for the other car. It was gonna be black with red interior, but stop. Phone.
This is 1928. Yeah, I got some earlier. 93. No, it's 93 years old.
Oh, okay.
No, it's
Oh.
1928.
1928.
I got a couple of our old ones.
Nice.
About 5 years.
Hey, White. I got a set of these too. Polyglides, red lines. I got those too.
For about 10 years, I only had 100. It was never driven for the first time.
That's it. So this is that.
He's saying that car got like 100 miles on it. The Camaro, yeah.
Wheels bigger than that.
I mean, sure about the old school student.
Yeah. He said he got like 100 miles on that car.
He just redid it.
I get the. Oh, wait. Yeah. That's those. This is an El Camino truck, I think they call them. The chip foods. That's at what's his face?
Tesla.
Huh?
That's a Tesla.
That's Tesla? That's not that stuff that do they get custom?
But that's like a Tesla door handle.
Oh, okay.
They suck in.
Yeah, okay. They done snuck one in. So we got the Buick 310. Yeah. Yeah, he got the console out of a 66 or Grand Sport one, you know, but it's not the right one. That's why ain't no shifter in it. You got a tilt wheel though. The basic Buick stuff. He slammed him on the ground, put some 15s on by 7s on him, blacked them out. Got the little 310 in there. Yeah, these cars ain't caught on yet.
You got a car here today?
This you? Oh, nice car, man. I got a 64.
64?
Convertible, yeah.
Hey, he has a
65. I got a 65.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Nice.
Mine's black with red interior, black top.
Yeah?
I just saw two on the internet for like 13,000 convertible ones in Northern California on Craigslist. I was just looking at them the other
It's
day.
crazy that you can still get a Buick for
A good price.
a
Yeah.
good price. Yes.
That was the poor man's Impala back in the days, man. You
Yeah.
couldn't afford the Impala, you bought the Buick convertible.
I was just telling you, this is the first car I bought in 1982, sight unseen. My grandma knew I was looking for a car. $300.
Oh, okay,
First
okay.
car I ever bought.
How's the 300 holding up for you?
I had it completely rebuilt by that. Well, no, the guy who owns the pickup truck, another gentleman. It cost a lot of money to put this 300 together. Yeah, I could have.
Oh yeah, looking good, man.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Have a good one.
All
What's
right,
your
for
name?
sure. Robert.
Robert.
Yeah.
Eric.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we could have or 5 1/4.
I think 5 1/4 look like it's too small.
Maybe he didn't have a grill. Nice.
This one down.
Okay. This is that new style Trans Am retro spot. Yeah, with the wheels. You got the hood to work it out. The rims. 6-speed. Oh yeah. Real nice. Real nice. Run up if you want to.
Devil's Canyon's got all kinds of brew beer over there. I mean, you don't want anybody to go home unhappy. If you win, you win. If you don't, you don't. That's the way it goes.
Nice.
If you have to win, that means buying the ticket.
Morales. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but a lot of space left up in here for it. Yeah. Okay.